Hi everyone, my name is Sheri Matthews-Kimmel, a friend of FitLifeTV. We're going to talk about movement. Motion creates emotion. Not only that, it creates good ones. So we're going to make it possible. Whether you're busy, you don't have time, we're going to make time. In the morning, at nap time, or anytime. In this workout, we'll be focusing on legs and glutes. Now we'll take it into a reverse lunge, engaging the quad and the hamstring. After curtsy lunges and reverse lunges, we'll go back to a lateral movement to strengthen the glutes, hamstrings, and quads all at the same time. You want to come down to a seated position, keep the legs at a comfortable distance apart with your knees bent. We're going to be focusing on the glutes. And then pulse for 10. I'm Sheri Matthews-Kimmel with FitLifeTV. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'm sure we'll feel it tomorrow. Whether you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's always good to make time to move.